The vacuum cleaner will be securely packaged to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Use tools to open the packaging, revealing the machine intact inside the box. The machine and all accompanying accessories are as shown in the video. A handle is provided on top of the machine for easy carrying and moving. The base is equipped with 360 swivel casters for flexible and effortless movement. An anti-static grounding chain is installed to discharge static electricity, ensuring safety and performance. This is the accessory storage slot for placing curved tubes, nozzles, and other tools. The dust bucket is made of stainless steel for durability, with seamless welding technology at the bottom for optimal sealing. The 0.7mm thick dust bucket can support an adult weighing approximately 100 kilograms without deformation. Release the buckles on both sides of the lid to open the vacuum cleaner as demonstrated in the video. The vacuum cleaner features a high-quality copper core motor with excellent conductivity and stronger power output. Install the dust bag when collecting dry debris to protect the motor and maintain stable suction. If dust bags are stacked, fluff up the dust bag to ensure collection efficiency and consistent suction. Install the filter element when collecting wet waste. Align with the holes, lock counterclockwise and unlock clockwise as shown in the video. Then reposition the vacuum cleaner and secure it by fastening the buckles. Connect the suction tube to the machine as demonstrated in the video. Connect the power supply using different adapters as required. This model includes an extra long power cord for greater operational flexibility. Turn on the switch to activate the machine. The powerful suction can effortlessly lift half a brick. It can collapse a water jug instantly. The curved tube consists of tube A and tube B, as shown in the video. The smaller end connects to the nozzle, while the larger end connects to the suction tube. Align the two protrusions to connect the curved tubes as demonstrated in the video. Select the appropriate nozzle based on requirements. Use the dust scraper or original brush for dry floor debris. For cleaning areas, such as furniture gaps and baseboards, opt for a long, flat suction nozzle. Use the water squeegee scraper to clean liquid spills on floors.